Stefan here with Ewald Kubota. Today I'm going to take you through a quick how to look up your own Kubota parts. First, you want to start by entering ewaldkubota.com into your web browser. Once you're on our home page seen here, you're going to click on the Parts tab. This screen displays some of the vendors that we sell. Today we're going to concentrate on Kubota. You want to click on the Kubota icon. After you click the icon, it'll redirect you over to the Kubota USA website. Here, we're going to concentrate on the illustrated parts list. And then view illustrated parts list. Carefully read the terms and conditions, and if you do accept, click the box in the center and click open. This screen is really where the magic happens. Now, you don't want to overcomplicate this process. Don't worry about capital letters, dashes, or anything like that. We're just going to type in model number. Today we'll try out our most popular tractor, the L2501. Once you've typed in your model number, you'll click search. Here, it's giving you a few options based on 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, or 4-wheel drive with hydrostatic transmission. We'll go ahead and click on the hydrostat. Now we're opening up the actual Kubota part book. These books are the exact same books that our Kubota professionals here at Ewald use. We'll look at the illustrated parts list and the frequently used items. Once in the frequently used items page or any page in the part book, you can make a part list. We'll do some filters today. Engine oil filter, fuel filter, and outer air. Once you've checked a few of the parts you've selected, you can take those parts and add them to a list. Once your list is created, you can make some notes here, like model number of the tractor, your name, maybe the hours of the service. You can print the list or export it to a PDF and switch it over to, say, Excel or Word. Save that in your word processing file, and then you'll know when you did your last service. Also, in your parts tree here, it displays all of your engine parts, and you can follow the same steps to pick out a part list. For pricing and availability, please contact any of our 8 locations at Ewald, and we'll be happy to help you out in your part ordering, availability, and pricing. Thank you.